Oh my gosh. On Railway 17. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. I found this. Maybe I shouldn't drive over it. Jeez. I'm gonna set that cone up. That caused a fire. Jeez. It really did cause a fire. Jeez. Bro, what's all that? Bro, I gotta go up. All the stuff? What? But the single bots never got hurt? What even happened? Stuff's messed up. What? The crossing sign? Where's the other one? The other crossing sign? There? Where's all the other stuff? Is that the Wi-Fi thing right there? I'm gonna walk further up. There's a Union Pacific. Bro, it lost its engine. Does it still work? It doesn't. It seems like it doesn't. Jeez. I think I should report the police about this. I found evidence. MMC car. CP car. Look, it's not from the Union Pacific. I'm not gonna set this up here. I should put this on the MCM driver. I should talk to him. If need a matter of fact of lifting the thing up, bring it at your truck for updates. It wasn't on the Union Pacific. That only goes on Union Pacific. You want to look at that? Yes, sure. It's lower my loop. I don't know. Let me get in. Okay, here we go. It's very hard. Sir, could I get past? Yes, I could. Just go that way. Okay. Subscribe if you will do the same thing like this man did. Help the guy.